Hello everyone, I'm Heather from iTalk You Talk Press. So yesterday it was very rainy because it was the start of the rainy season here in Japan. The rainy season usually lasts about 6 weeks from the beginning of June to mid-July. And yesterday I was feeling very sleepy and I had no motivation and I just wanted to sleep, and that was because of the weather. It was very rainy and it was humid too. I don't really like this season. I find it difficult to motivate myself in this season. When I first came to Japan, I came in the year 2000 in May, and I didn't notice the rainy season because in England, where I'm from, it rains a lot. So I came to Japan in May, and then there was the rainy season in June and July, and I didn't notice. I just thought it was normal weather. I thought it was normal to rain so much. But now I understand very well that it's the rainy season because I've been here for 23 years. I'm looking forward to the end of the rainy season, but after the rainy season it becomes very hot and humid, and I'm not really looking forward to that. So to be honest, I'm looking forward to autumn already. How about you? What is the season in your country now? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.